How to plot normal distribution. Given a mean and a variance, is there a simple function call which will plot a normal distribution?
I don't think there is a function that does all that in a single call. However, you can find the Gaussian probability density function in scipy.stats. So the simplest way I could come up with is sources, this URL, this URL, this URL.
Use Seaborn instead. I am using distplot of Seaborn with mean equals 5 std equals 3 of 1000 values. You will get a normal distribution curve.
If you prefer to use a step-by-step approach, you could consider a solution like follows.
Matplotlib